When you think of versatile pieces, white shirt and jeans are some of the first thing that come to your mind. But I'm showing you pieces in today's episode that you may think of as statement pieces, as in something you may think cannot be worn on everyday basis or cannot be repeated frequently. But you will be surprised how versatile they are and how some of these can be worn from day to night looks. So get ready to stand out and step out of your jeans and t-shirt comfort zone. My first one is fitted white off-shoulder top from Athleta. It shows off my toned arms and collarbones. It's because of its beautiful fit that it makes even jeans or joggers look very stylish. So even if I wear it with culottes and sneakers for daytime, it's perfect. And with heels for nighttime. Definitely figure flattering in this fitted skirt. And with these green track pants, I look like straight out of a magazine. You can too. And look at me, I look like I'm ready for a party in this colorful skirt. And I absolutely adore this top with my structured pants. It gives it that very vintage, chic look. Look for these kind of white pants in crisp fabric. It gives that classic vintage look. Try it with different tops to see the variety it can create. I got these pants from a brand called The Other Stories. I sometimes also wear it with a loose white shirt. Talking about structured pants, these high-waisted uber wide pants are my favorite. They clinch my waist where it is the slimmest and then goes wide, creating illusion of a flattering figure. And here with this fitted blue top, I like the way my shoulders are popping out a little bit. If you're wearing it to work, a turtleneck fitted sweater looks great with it. And for a more youthful feeling, a t-shirt would be perfectly fine. I fold it at the bottom to create a narrow ankle fit sometimes. I just want to look good in clothes without looking too flashy, especially when I'm meeting people on an everyday basis. By now you know that I like to mix my clothes to take the casuals a notch higher. Black leather leggings. Remember, I said leather leggings. You don't have to really buy real leather. And here I'm wearing this loose sweater with my black leggings. Plain black leggings would work too, but the little hint of leather that you're seeing is perfect for the looks you're seeing. Now these black leather leggings are most commonly seen in gym with casual t-shirt. Just throwing a leather jacket on it gives me such a high, and when I feel so awesome, it shows on my face. And when it shows on my face, it shows on everyone's face walking by. I love it. I like my black leggings from Athleta. They have leather patches in the right place to make the legs look leaner. Of course, wear it to gym. Try it with sneakers and workout top. Go monochromatic, all black from head to toe. You can also try it with trench coat. Here I'm wearing mine from BCBG, and I like the sleeveless one because I can change the top and completely change this look every time. And especially with these high-knee black boots, it looks really stylish. Don't forget to try these with open-toe heels, high-knee boots, or sneakers. You just won't go wrong. It's that easy to dress well and look more polished. Now let's see how I can wear the same leggings with kimono. Kimono. Who thought a kimono could be creatively worn? So when I received this kimono, I by mistake wore it upside down and I was like, wait, this looks completely different from what it's supposed to look like. And there I had two completely different looks. And with a little belt on it, it creates yet another look for you. Anu by Triarta. You have seen her scarves on my video in the past, but guess what? She makes kimonos too, and of course this is her personal art that she has transferred onto this kimono, and I love these colors for spring. Why just stick to clothes? Let's talk about earrings. These are back and front asymmetrical earrings, and they can be very edgy or very simple, however you want them to be. Take a look at how I mix and match to make my earrings look different every time. Who doesn't have a long shirt in their closet? This salmon pink, which is in fashion now, has been in my closet since last 6 years, and this is how I create a variety with them in every season. I like to layer it with different tops and sweaters to create a more interesting outfit. Layer it with a sweater. I like to pair it with either shorts in summer, where you can barely see the shorts on the side, or even with boyfriend jeans. But by itself, it looks great for summers with just some gladiators or sneakers. If you want to define it around your waist, a belt is perfect. Just experiment with different kinds of necklaces, and these shirts can really look from very simple to stylish. Now, who could have thought these can be the most worn pieces? To me, this is how simple it is to look stylish every time I step out. Hope this video gives you ideas on how you can create new looks with your old pieces. Let me know your favorite one from today's looks and anything unexpected that you will start wearing frequently. Subscribing to this channel is highly recommended, and don't forget to hit the bell you see next to the subscribe button, because only then you can get an alert just like all my other followers get every week when I post a new video. Follow me on all my social media accounts and share your pictures with me. Tag me, be in touch, share this video with your friend, like and comment, and please come back to me next week. Until then, blush with me.